The first weekend here in Texas without a mask mandate, with businesses allowed to reopen at 100% capacity just in time for St. Patty's Day celebrations. And of course, it comes with a lot of concern from health leaders. Our Eric Alvarez, well, he spoke to the owner of a bar who says he got much needed business after closing for months because of the pandemic.
A party during a pandemic. St. Patrick's Day celebrations on Greenville Avenue, the first Saturday since Texas lifted its statewide mask mandate and allowed businesses to reopen at 100% capacity.
Yeah!
For Revelers, it's the biggest crowd since, well,
about this time last year.
Shada Natsifpour came equipped with a St. Patrick's Day themed mask.
How cute is this?
But examples of masks and social distancing were few and far between. Seemingly little attention paid to the pandemic at all.
Everyone just seems like they're having a really good time.
Now, despite the party atmosphere, not everyone is in the mood to celebrate.
Images of the crowds sparking social media backlash with comments like, "This is exactly why they should not be reopening now. Watch for the numbers in 2 weeks." And next COVID spike, here we go. But here at the Blue Note,
Best day we've had in a year.
Owner Mike McCrae says the crowd is a godsend.
We were closed for 4 months straight. So being out didn't just hurt me, it hurt all my staff.
McCrae says the workers are doing their best to keep things clean.
Now we have hand sanitizer at the door, and we're wiping down everything constantly.
But social distancing is next to impossible with capacity at 299.
We're doing our best for social distancing, but when you fill up and these guys have been, cramped up for the last year, it's hard for you to say, no, you have to stay 6 feet back. But we're doing our best.
That's why some aren't ready to cut loose completely just yet.
Even when I walk in, I'm still gonna wear my mask.
In Dallas,
I think as long as you're still safe.
I'm Eric Alvarez.
Please be safe. I didn't see any social distancing there. Now to the latest in the fight against COVID-19 here at home. The Fair Park vaccine hub remains closed this weekend. County officials say it's because they ran out of vaccines. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins says the state has diverted more than 100,000 doses away from the county since the federal government began running the Fair Park location. So Jenkins says the site will be back open come Monday morning. And that's because Texas is really getting a fresh shipment of vaccines this week. More than 800,000 first doses of the vaccine will be sent to providers across the state so far. The state health department says more than 5 million Texans have received at least one dose of the vaccine. Also happening next week, Texas is expanding its vaccine eligibility, and so they will transition into phase 1C starting Monday. Phase 1C includes anyone between the ages of 50 and 64. And there's more good news on the vaccine front here. We could see a fourth option. Novavax says its COVID-19 vaccine is almost 97% effective, and it is currently in phase 3 of trials. Novavax hopes to ask the FDA for emergency authorization use come May. We know trying to get access to a COVID-19 vaccine, it can be confusing and even frustrating for some, so we put all the information in one place for you to help you out. So just use your phone's camera to scan that QR code right on your screen, or go ahead and text the word vaccines to 214-977-6028. Once again, go ahead and text the word vaccine to 214-977-6028, and then we're going to send you a link with all the information that you need to help you out. All right, let's talk about something a lot of us are talking about. It may be on your mind this morning, that third stimulus check and where it's at. Some of you may have already received it. Good for you. But if you are a customer of Chase or maybe Wells Fargo, well, you have to wait just a bit longer. Both banks say customers should start seeing the checks drop in their accounts sometime this week, more than likely around the 17th. But you can always track your check. Just go to irs.gov and click Get My Payment Tool. And Wells Fargo and Chase, they did send emails to their customers about that as well. The time right now.